want to learn how to trade in the financial markets, one thing I can definitely tell you that there's too much information out there, and trading costs a lot of money to learn. You know, if you're gonna learn trading, it normally costs minimum 2,000 to 100,000, depending on where you're getting the information. Now, if you want value for money and the right information that I actually came across just over a year ago, I can honestly tell you that we have the biggest community of traders all over the world that are learning exactly how to trade with the cost of a coffee a day. Now we have over 100 videos on demand, whether you're a completely brand new beginner or an intermediate or an advanced trader. One thing I can definitely tell you, we actually give you all the meat and potato minus the junk, as well as 1,000 hours a month of live sessions from professional traders who've been doing this for many years. Not only that, but I'm actually going to give you my system that has allowed over 1,000 plus people in my team learn how to trade a lot quicker. You know, what took me many years to learn, I'm going to allow you to learn a lot quicker. Take it.
Hi everybody, my name is Elias Jama. I've been a part of Currency Move for a month now, heading in my second. It's been the best decision I made so far, hands down. I gotta give a big shout out for the team. Thank you, Currency Mover. I've learned a lot, earned a lot as well. I earned around 700 to 800 euros. Thanks, man, thanks.
Hi, my name is Niamh Lockery. I've been a part of Currency Movers for about a year now, and it's been the best decision that I have ever made. I just want to thank this amazing team for everything that I have learned within the business and developing my trading skills and wealth building skills. So if you're thinking about getting started, do not hesitate, don't procrastinate, just make the decision. It will be the best decision that you can ever possibly make.
Hi, my name is Andre from the Netherlands. I've joined Team Currency Movers for 2 months and it's been the best decision I've made. I was trading on my own for 6 months and I was barely profitable or break even at the end of the month. Team Currency Movers is really a game changer. And let me tell you one thing. You do not fail in life when there is a lie that has been told to you. You typically fail in life when someone told you the truth and you choose not to believe it.
My name's Avas Nawaz, been a member of the Currency Movers team now for just over a year. Got to say, by far the best decision I've ever made in my life. Far better than chasing any academic degree or a formal career as one would think. It's been a game changer, changed my life, opened up a whole new world for me, a new career, all done from the comfort of my own home. So I just cannot say thank you enough, Ahmed and the team. You guys have been incredible, really helped a person develop in the understanding and learning of the Forex market, and just wanted to say thank you to everyone, and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you.
Hello dear people all over the world, Deborah here from the Netherlands. About 2 weeks ago I started with 125 euros and now it's more than 1100. So I will show you so you can see it. And these results are blowing me away.
Hi, my name's Cedric and I've been part of Currency Movers for about 3 to 4 weeks now. It's been the best decision I've ever made. I'd like to thank this amazing team for their continued support. I've managed to learn so much about Forex in a short period of time, but I've got so much more to learn, but I believe that I'm in the best place. I'd also like to thank Ahmed in particular, reason being because his signals has enabled me to earn whilst I'm learning, and in the space of 3 weeks I think I've made about £400 profit. So if you're thinking about getting started with Currency Movers, please do not hesitate at all. It will be the best decision you will ever make. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tim. I've been a part of Currency Movers for the last 2 weeks now. In these 2 weeks I've tripled my account. And while you're learning, you get to earn your money. If you're in doubt to join Currency Movers, please give it a go and you won't regret it.
Hi, my name is Asad. I'm from Russia and I have been part of Currency Movers for the last 1 month, and I want to say thank you Currency Movers and Ahmed Jama. I have made a lot of money from Currency Movers, and every day I expect 100. So yeah, thank you so much Currency Movers.
Yo, so we got a profit of 6,200.
Nice.
We deposited $142 in the account, and we took a withdrawal 5,500. That's about a hit.
Are you ready?